What's up, Homer? Did you know, guys, to make some pipe like this is really easy. The way to make that is just first, maybe I need to remove that pipe and adding some mesh, add some cube over here. Just click tab and go at the edit mode and just choose this selection mode over here and just right click and you just need to click merge vertices at center and yeah, now just draw your pipe with so easily, and I just did with extrude and go at maybe y-axis and go at the z view, and I think I need to extrude at the x-axis, and now I need to go at the x view and just I need to go at the z axis to extrude. And after we have this pipe, guys, the second thing that we need to do is need to just select the corner of the pipe like this and just click Ctrl Shift and B to buffle the dot of our line and just make some couple of buffle to make the pipe is more smoother. And after we already have this line, we need to back again at the object mode, and after we have this base of pipe, we need to click right click and just convert this line into a curve. And after we change this mesh into a curve, we need to go at the data curve data over here and just go at the geometry, and on the bevel we need to ratchet up the depth of this line until it's big enough and look like a pipe, of course. And I think I need a little bit bigger, maybe 10 is good. And you even can raise up the resolution of this pipe to make it more smooth. And after you have this pipe like this, you need to just right click again and convert this curve into a mesh again. And after this pipe convert into mesh again, you need to just go at the edit mode and yeah, add some another cut to make it more realistic, I think, over here, and just move the cuts a little bit closer into the pipe corner. Just click G and go at the x-axis, I think, and put it over here and add another one over here. Go at the y-axis. Yeah, do the same thing to the other corner over here. Now we good to go, and we need to just go at the X-ray mode over here and yeah, select the corner mesh of our pipe like this one and this one. And yeah, we need to duplicate this mesh with Shift D like this and just right click to put it back and just click P to separate this mesh into our selection and make it into two separate objects like this one, and back again, guys, into object mode and change the viewport as this one, or maybe the shader viewport. And yeah, we need to just select this pipe corner and go at the modifier and add some solidify modifier, and we just need to ratchet up the offset of this object. Yeah, now we have our pipe and we need to just right click, guys, and make it smooth with just set auto smooth, and everything is gonna be look so perfect. And yeah, maybe you just need to add some material, make it metallic, I think, change the color into a little bit darker, and for the pipe corner add another one. And I think because it's maybe make of plastic, I need to push it down the roughness and just change it maybe red or anything and just make it dark a little bit. I think the roughness is just too much. I think this one is good. And yeah, and that is how you can make your pipe in Blender. And thank you guys for your time. Don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe. And see you again at the next tips. And goodbye.